welcome to the show, brother.
No.
Thank you for volunteering to be a part of the show. Hopefully, you've been paying attention, so I don't have to repeat anything with you. We're gonna get right into this. Um, I will look at what's going on here, and you can see clearly that yes, there may be a couple different frames and similar feedback to go, but let's just get right into it so that we can make sure everyone has a shot today, and we'll give you the same level of feedback. So we'll do a couple sessions, and uh, give some feedback in between. We'll have feedback at the end. So before we get into it, though, if you can, for the audience, set the stage. Who's Shannon? And then what's your company? Who do you serve? How do you serve them? And then let's get right into the role practice.
Will do. Appreciate it. So yeah, Shannon. I'm based out of London. I'm with a company. We do custom mobile apps. It's no code, so really easy to kind of put together the app you need. And we support health and safety teams trying to digitize their documentation, and that can be compliance, health and safety information, and really sort of help them cut down wasted seconds. And when you're on a manufacturing floor, a lot of paperwork about, it's not the best. So we're really trying to optimize their processes through that.
Amazing. So, and your role within the company?
So I've been here about 18 months, and I'm the lead BDR.
All right. Here we go. Thank you so much for volunteering today. So, hey, this is Ryan.
Hi Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key. I appreciate I'm calling out the blue here. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm calling?
Sure. What's up?
Thank you. I just thought that what we do could be of interest to you. We actually support health and safety teams trying to digitize emergency processes,
Hey, this
SOPs.
is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, Shannon from Ready Key here. Appreciate I'm calling out of the blue. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that?
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, Shannon here from
Hey,
Ready Key.
quiet down over there. Sorry. Go ahead. What's up?
No worries, Ryan. Yeah, it's just Shannon from Ready Key. I know I've just
Sorry.
caught
Ready?
you out of the
Ready?
blue.
Ready
From
Key? Do I know a Shannon from what is this about?
Well, we're hoping to help your processes. We work with health and safety teams with many employees like yourself, and we're helping
Hey,
to
this is Ryan.
digitize. Hey, Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. I appreciate
Hey
I've caught
Shannon,
you.
how's it going today?
Well, thank you, Ryan. I appreciate I've just caught you out of the blue here. Can I just take
Uh-huh.
20 seconds and tell you why I'm doing that?
Yeah, sure. Sure, go ahead.
Appreciate it. I wanted to call because I head up the health and safety function here, and right now we're supporting leaders to provide
Hey, this is
emergency.
Ryan.
Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. Appreciate I've caught you out of the blue. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that? Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key. Can you hear me okay?
I can. Yeah. What's up, man?
Perfect. I was just hoping for 20 seconds to
Hey,
tell you
this is
why I'm
Ryan.
calling. Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. Appreciate I've just caught you out of
Shannon,
the blue.
Shannon. Do I know a Shannon?
Hopefully you'll know soon. I just wanted 20 seconds to tell you why I'm calling.
Okay. What's up, man? You got 20 seconds.
Appreciate it. I thought that what we do could help you. Right
All
now, we're
right, let's
supporting.
let's do the stop here. Phenomenal job, man. It's very clear that you are a pro. You got your message. You stick to it. You know when the interruptions are there, you get right back to it. I threw some of those scenarios at you, including even the pause. We all get those, right? Is someone not talking and you didn't just keep verbal diarrhea in. Very good job, Sean. Do you have any notes to add to that one so
Yeah, I was
far?
waiting. I was waiting for the famous reply by all prospects when you give them a time certain. I want. Can I get 20 seconds or 25 seconds? And they come back and say, "You got 15. You got 15." But no, I
Yeah,
would concur that great delivery. You're doing a great job. You sound like you're curious, and I think the folks that are willing to hear you out, the majority of them are gonna hear you out and go on to the next part of your script. I think you're doing great.
Yeah, so clearly you got this thing nailed here. In this next section, is there something specifically that you found you struggled with a little bit in your framework that you'd like to try to role practice a little bit for the next go around?
Um, s- Not necessarily. Normally the difficulty comes in the qualifying. Sometimes getting to the decision maker is my trickiest thing. going after directors and VPs.
And where are you
Happy
putting
to
that?
run.
Where are you putting that in this message here? So, you're getting right into the pitch, and where's the struggle? So your framework starts. You appreciate it. I'm reaching out because, and then you go right
Yeah.
into like qualifying questions. But I don't see anything around qualifying role. So when you're saying you're trying to get to, is that because the titles are kind of nuanced before, or tell me a little bit more about that?
So when I kind of get into it, maybe I'll deliver the pitch. So I'll get into the next section. They'll let me in, and as I start talking, maybe someone will cut me off and say that's not my role, or
Yeah.
that's with the global
Okay.
team.
Okay.
So then
Okay.
I
Perfect.
kind of chase it further.
Let's role practice that a little bit then. That's pretty
Sweet.
common, right? It's very common. So, hey, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. I appreciate I've caught you out the blue. Can I just take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that?
Yeah, sure. You got 20 seconds. What's up, man?
Appreciate it. I'll be quick. I just thought that what we do could really help you. Right now, we're supporting health and safety leaders to provide emergency response plans, contact details, hazard reporting, all
Mm,
on mobile devices,
yeah,
giving
man.
immediate.
I don't think that's me. I think you got to go to corporate.
Yeah, completely understand that, Ryan. Just in your role at the minute, so I understand fully, are you not in charge
Hey,
of a
this
health
is
and
Ryan.
safety team? Hey, Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. I appreciate I've just caught you out the blue. Can I take 25 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that?
Yeah, you got it. What's up?
Appreciate that. I just wanted to call because I think we can help you. Right now, we're supporting health and safety leaders to improve response times and results in emergency situations by providing immediate access to emergency action plans, procedures, contacts,
Mm,
floor
I don't.
plans.
I don't think that's me.
No worries. I understand. Is that because you already have something like this, or is this not in your remit?
I think we have something like this, but it's just not me, man. You're gonna have to
So
call somebody else.
who would be the best person to speak to
Hey,
in
this is
regards
Ryan.
to? Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here.
Uh huh.
Just calling out
Shannon.
the blue. Yeah, Shannon.
Shan-
I just calling out the blue here, but can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that exactly?
you got 15. What's up?
Appreciate it. I thought that what we do could help you. We support health and safety leaders like yourself to really improve emergency response times and results
I'm
in
not an
good.
emergency leader, health leader. That's not me.
So would that be your boss or someone up the chain?
Okay, let's pause. I want to workshop this a little bit. So I'm happy that's where it's at. So this happens a lot with my own outbound program. The name of what we do tends to get people to shut it down very, very quickly. And so what we've done is to try to set like reset context. So between the opener and before you get into the actual we help is to do a bit of a qualifier. Hey, before I get into it, you are still title at company, right? So you're getting the opener. I'm happy, but now you're pitching, and I'm basically stiff arming you, right? So a lot of because your approach is so strong, like you have the right tonality, the right pace, all that stuff. People are going to let you in, like you said. But then what happens is you put me to sleep with what you're talking about, and most buyers are. This just happens because you're connecting and pitching, right? We help these people in this way. It's not a bad framework, but and Shawn can add some flavor to this. But when you get people that are not biting right away and they're kind of kicking you off, you want to kind of shake them a bit and get them to agree that it is them before you get into it. So if you take a phrase ahead of getting into the pitch, right after your opener, right? Hey, this is Shannon here. Appreciate I'm calling you out of the blue. You have 27 seconds. Sure, perfect. Hey, just before I get started, you are still title at company, right? Perfect. So we help. See, so by doing that, if they stiff arm, you're going to go, "Oh, I'm sorry, you said you were title, right?" So you can actually use some of those.
Yeah,
Does that all make sense?
yeah, that's a great shout.
Yeah, you want to try that a couple times, and then
Yeah,
we'll to the next one.
yeah,
So
let's
hey,
go.
this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. Appreciate I've caught you out of the blue. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that?
Oh yeah, sure. What's up, man?
Appreciate it. Before I get into it, can I confirm, are you still head of health and safety at Toyota?
Yep, that's still me.
Perfect. Well, look, the reason I was calling
Hey,
because
this is
we're
Ryan.
helping. Hey Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key. Appreciate I've caught you out of the blue. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that?
Yeah, sure. What's up, man? You got 20. You got 20 seconds. Go quick.
Appreciate it. Before I jump into my 20 seconds, can I
Yeah,
confirm you're
time's
still
clicking. Time's clicking.
can I confirm you're still head of health and safety with Toyota?
Yeah. Yeah, man. What's up? How can I help?
Appreciate it. 20 seconds now. I just wanted to call you because I think we could help. Right now, we're supporting health and safety leaders
Sure. Hey,
at
this is
companies.
Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, this is Shannon from Ready Key here. I appreciate I've caught you out the blue. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you why I'm doing that?
Yeah, what's up? How can I help?
Perfect. Before I get into it, can I just check, are you still head of health and safety at Toyota?
Sure. Yeah. How do you know that?
Well, we've got a great marketing team, but I actually wanted to get in touch because I think we could help you. We support similar automotive manufacturing companies, and we're helping them to improve response times and results.
I don't know if that's me.
No worries. I know you said that you were still head of health and safety at Toyota. So who would that be responsible for the policies?
Oh, policies. Oh, policies. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's pause there. So I just want if we had some more time, we keep going. But how does that feel? Where
Yes.
you now have something to kick back on, right? You said one, you gave me time to talk. Two, you said it is you. So if you direct it, you can go right back to it. Like, hey, remember these sections, right? We're trying to bring them through stage definitions and exit criteria. If we're
Yep.
running into a wall, well, people are saying it's not me. Well, guess what? Our framework needs to confirm target, right? Confirm target before we move forward if we're not on target. So hopefully
Yep.
that's helpful. Shawn, anything you want to add to that?
No, I think that's a pretty good summary. Some of the things that we're dealing with here are, script framework issues and things like that. So to stay on track of just rehearsing and so on, again, another case of a super ambitious, super intelligent, great pace, tone, delivery, SDR rep that could probably just use a few tweaking of the script. But I don't want to get into you should have said this instead of that, because that it goes against it. It's a different workshop, the messaging workshop. But I would leave you with this, that one of the things as you're thinking about your opening, and this is how I frame up my scripts, or actually what I when I get ready to do, is that I'm going to call people and we're going to have a conversation, and I'm deciding that I'm going to listen to the other person. I'm going to listen closely. And my goal for all top of funnel calls is that we end up better off than where we started, which gets me in the mind frame of making this one-on-one, me and the person on the other side of the phone, not necessarily their company and my company, the problem they have, the problem I have, but first and foremost, that we end up better off than where we started. And that just helps me listen and helps me write my scripts a little bit better. So that's what I would share with you.
Appreciate
End
it.
up
No, really,
end
really
up
appreciate
better
it.
off than where we started.
That's a good point. No, I appreciate it, gents, and thanks a lot for doing these workshops. They're really helpful.
Yeah, that was awesome, man. I mean, it's clear you are the leader. You said you're the leader. So great work, man. Thank you for volunteering, and hope to see you around. If you find that helps, hit me up. I'd love to hear feedback if it's helping or not.
I
And
will do,
anytime.
man.
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
do. I'm
Thanks,
gonna get
Shannon.
on the phones now and try it.
Yeah. Great job.